going to start with some arm circles, loosen up those shoulders. So I'm going to start, my feet are going to be hip width apart. Super important to have a good base when you do these. We're going to take our hands right by our sides. Our thumbs are going to face the sky. We're just going to do some arm circles. So bringing those hands up by my ears, and then I'm just going to twist my thumbs towards my face and circle them back down. Really trying to get through a full active range of motion here. Thumbs come up, spinning towards your face, and then straight back down. I'm just gonna repeat this motion, do probably 10 circles. I think I've hit maybe 5 already. Every time that I bring my arms up and around, I try and get a little bit more range of motion. All right, let's loosen our joints, get some cracks out of the way. Ooh, it feels good. Okay. All right, I think I hit about 10 of those. I'm just going to pause at the bottom, and I'm just gonna reverse my directions. So I'm gonna go backwards now, turn those thumbs. This time they're gonna go out and away from my body, and then I swim back down. I face the same way. Just get that opposite range of motion, coming backwards, coming out here. Same thing, I'm trying to fight, add a little bit of range of motion here. Should feel a little bit more fluid, getting into it. So simple, but such an easy warm up to do when you don't have any equipment. Awesome. All right, shoulders, getting there, we're getting loose. Let's go ahead and loosen up our legs. I'm going to start with just 10 body weight squats. I'm gonna come down here, squat down, stand up. It always surprises me how tight my body feels just doing a regular squat. I always get off balance. My heels pop up, my hips crack. Ooh, we're tight. It's all right, here we go. Hit 10. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a nice quad stretch in. There's 10 for me. Next, I'm just gonna go into a quick quad stretch. Grab that ankle, left foot, left ankle. Reach my hand up, drive this leg underneath my hip backwards. I'm holding that for about 3 to 5 seconds. And I'm gonna alternate. So go right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. I like to alternate here just so I'm not standing on one leg too long. My legs get tired. I know it sounds stupid, but it's like a minute of stretching and standing on one leg adds up. All right, let's alternate. We're doing about 5 each leg here. Sometimes I add in that little extra hinge. I'm up here in my quad stretch. A little hinge gets that hip flexor more, gets that standing legs hamstring, helps me get my balance ready, kind of warm my body up. Like, yep, we're moving, we're doing this today. Ooh. Beautiful, I got one more each leg. Make sure we're even when we do these. I'm losing my balance, okay. Great stuff. Awesome. All right, one more exercise. It's gonna be a good one. We're gonna go down into our squat. Squat down, plant that left leg on the ground, and just twist that right arm open and look towards your hand. Twist, and then we're just gonna rotate. My right hand comes down, twist open, and then I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna do that 3 times total. Here, squat down, twist open nice and slow, and then switch. Don't forget to stand up, shake your legs out, get the hips loose. All right, one more for me, squat down and twist. Rotate other side. Woo. Beautiful, okay.